Hi, good morning. So in this one, we'll discuss today's weekly contest fast easy problem. Let's find the child who has the ball after k seconds. So what is the problem statement? Problem statement is that you are given two positive integers n and k. There are children numbered from 0 to n minus 1 standing in a queue in order from left to right. Okay. Initially, child 0 holds a ball and the direction of passing the ball is towards the right direction. After each second, the child holding the ball passes it to the child next to him. Once the ball reaches either the end of the line, like child 0 or child n minus 1, the direction of passing is reversed. Return the number of the child who receives the ball after k seconds. Okay, so we will be given like n children from 0 to n minus 1. Like here for this example, like n is equal to 3 and k is equal to 5. So there are three children, and I have to find out that after k is equal to 5 second, the which child have the ball, holding the ball, right? So like first 0, 1 and 2. Then initially k is equal to 0, he has the ball, right? 0, 0th child has the ball. Now k is equal to 1. It will pass initially to the 1. So 0, 1, 2, ball will be here. For k is equal to 2, ball will be here. It will be empty. Now k is equal to 3. Because I have reached the end, so direction will be changed. So this ball will be again here. It will be empty. Now k is equal to 4. This will be passed here. Now the direction is right to left, right? So ball will be here. This 2 will be empty. Now again I have reached the end, so the direction will be changed. So for k is equal to 5, ball will be transferred to the right side. So this will be empty, ball will be here. So 0, 1, 2, first child, index 1 child have the ball. That's why answer is 1. Got the logic? Actually working. So I can actually track the actually ball where actually currently ball have the ball, which child have the ball currently, and also take the direction currently I am transferring. Like initially it will be like position will be 0 because child 0 will have the ball initially, and also direction will be right, right. So after each second I will just increase the position plus plus if it is the right side, and also if it is a left side, then what will be position minus minus, right? Because whenever transferring, actually index will be increased. Whenever going to right to left, index actually decreasing. Got it? So there is actually two limit, like index or position cannot be less than 0, and also index cannot be n minus 1 also. Like range will be index means position of the ball will be from 0 to n minus 1, right? So let's go to the code. So initially our position is 0 and initial direction is right is equal to true. If right is equal to false, means it's going to left side. So after each second, like for k, while till k greater than 0, for each second what I am doing, if it is the right side transferring, from left to right I am transferring, I will check that have I reached the end. Like current position is our already n minus 1. So if I transfer to right side, it will not be able to transfer. So that time I have to change the direction. So I'll check that am I in the last position? Is it true? If it is true, means I have to change the direction. So if I am in the n minus 1, then I will change the right is equal to false. Means now it will be from left side, direction will be left. Now I'll decrease the current position will be current minus minus. Why? Because initially it is n minus 1. For after case time, what will happen? Actually, it can't go to the right side, so that position will be n minus 2 actually. That's why I'm decreasing current minus minus. Else suppose it is in between, and there are so many places in the right side, so it can go actually right actually till now. So that's why that time I actually increase the position plus plus, because index will be suppose 1, it will be 2. That's why 1 plus plus it will give 2. Got it? Else what will happen? Else what will happen? Currently I'm in a left, direction is left. So what will happen? I will check Am I the first position? Okay, that time what will happen? I can't go to the left from this position. That's why check if I am the starting point current is equal to 0, means what will happen? I will change the direction. Right is equal to true and current plus plus because initially is 0. So after changing the direction or after a k second or after 1 second, what will happen? It will be present here actually 1. That's why current plus plus. Else what will happen? I am in between. There are so many places in the left before it position, before current position. So what will happen? I will actually go to the left. So I will just decrease the current minus minus. Got it? And after each operation, I am just decreasing the second k minus minus because I have already utilized 1 second for each traverse for k minus minus. Okay, and at the end, what will be the current that actually holding the ball currently? Right. Suppose k is equal to 0. This should give current answer should be 0 because the 0 child will hold the ball. For k is equal to 1, what will happen? I will just this while loop will run once. So what will happen? Initially it is right. Current not equal to n minus 1, so it will just come here, and current plus plus, so initially it will also 1. Got it? So after k second, if I want to find the answer, so it will give us the answer current is equal to 1. It's true. So what time will show this? Time show this while will be running for k times, and this is actually constant time because current plus plus, yeah, current minus minus, right? That's why the time should will be k. Got it? And also got the logic, right? Thank you.